Back to Good Day Orlando. In the consumer corner, we've all had them, financial regrets, but there is a big difference between an impulse buy and a decision that could haunt you for a lifetime. Financial professional Joe Bert joining us now for part 2 of our financial discussion, our financial regret discussion, I should say. Good morning, Joe.
Good morning.
Last week we talked about 5 of them, including taking money out of your 401k. That's a big no-no.
Yes,
so this week we've got some new ones. Passing up professional advice when you need it.
Well, at the risk of sounding self-serving, people do need to seek professional advice because, unfortunately, our educational system has failed us when it comes time to teaching us how to save and invest for our future.
That is so true.
You know, we go through life trying some of this, some of that. We wake up one day, 5 years, 10 years away from retirement, and find we have what I call a collection of financial accidents. So see a professional, and hopefully somebody that does this for a fee, not just trying to sell you something. In fact, I like to give our viewers our website, which is financialgroup.com. Financialgroup.com. Click on that, and there's a Know the Difference tab. In about 60 seconds, you'll be able to tell the difference between a broker and somebody that acts as a fiduciary. You want somebody that serves your interest as a fiduciary, not somebody that's trying to sell you something.
Okay.
So that's financialgroup.com.
Okay, good advice there. The other thing, avoiding the stock market. A lot of people are intimidated by the stock market.
And understandably so, because people see and read about the losses that you've had.
Sure.
But you have to remember, you have to get your money to grow, and investing is long term, and there's a difference between being guaranteed, which you have your money in the bank, you know it's there, and being safe. You can run out of money while you're being guaranteed. You have to get your money to grow, but most people don't belong in individual stocks. The best way to invest, we believe strongly, is using professional management, and that's using mutual funds. Like it's available in your 401k. That's the best way to save and invest.
Now, you also say quitting school is a big no-no.
Well, the best investment you can make is in yourself.
So
and they say going to college, getting a degree, is you can earn 2 to 3 times more than the high school graduate. And heaven forbid you drop out of high school, you really set yourself back. So invest in yourself, get that degree, and try to stay away from debt. Even if you have to work through college to, gradually get that degree, you appreciate it a lot more.
Definitely.
Right.
The other thing you mentioned too, buying into a timeshare. This seems like a no-brainer, but it's easy. I think people find themselves getting roped into it.
Well, what happens is you go on vacation and they want to give you this tour, and before you know it, you're in a 3- and 4-hour presentation, and they make it all sound so good. And now you've committed yourself to a lifetime of ongoing maintenance fees and so on and so forth. And then you can't get rid of the darn gum things, you know? It's like a tar baby. You just can't unload it.
Right.
So, you're better off sometimes to just save for a vacation and take it.
Okay, and the last one on the list of the 10, falling for too good to be true opportunities.
Unfortunately, this is oftentimes those free lunch and dinner seminars. They probably show up in your mailbox like they do mine. You can eat for the rest of your life.
You can.
Yeah, and oftentimes they're trying to sell you something, and we see some of the disasters coming in our office. They have one product, one idea that's going to fix everything. Market goes down, you don't lose. Market goes up, you gain, all this stuff. Oftentimes it doesn't work. One size does not fit all, but that's the way these seminars work.
It's hard to get out of those obligations too, because once you're in that scenario, much like the timeshare freebies, I should say, you kind of like, how do I get myself out of this?
Exactly. Yeah. So just best advice is go to McDonald's and enjoy the day.
And enjoy it, and look at a magazine, a travel magazine, right? Joe, where can people find you?
Just Google me, 2 words, Joe Bert, B-E-R-T.
Joe, always a pleasure.
You too.